Hello everyone and welcome to lecture 3 of Java programming, and in this lecture we're going to talk about control structures. So before we start, let's see some key concepts. So we'll talk about decision structures, mainly if, else, and switch iterations, such as while, do while, and for, and jump statements such as break, continue, and return. So we'll divide this lecture into two parts. In part 1, we're going to talk about control structures, and in part 2, we'll talk about iterations and jump. So let's start with part 1 first. So before we do, let's set up our environment to make sure that we're ready to write and execute Java programs. So I'm back to my Sublime text editor, my terminal window, and my Mac Finder. So what I want to do is first I want to just to see what I am, present working directory. I'm going to repeat this until it becomes a habit for you as well. I'm under my user and specifically Irfan user. So to see what I have in here with the ls command, I can see my desktop, documents, downloads. So I'm going to jump into my desktop and do another list. So I see a bunch of directories here as well. I'm gonna go into this. So cd cis 36 and see what I have in here. I have lecture 1 and lecture 2. So with the mech dir command, I'm going to create another directory named lecture 3. And as you can see, it's already created in here. Then finally I'm going to cd space lecture 3 and I'm in. Okay, I'm in now. So I have nothing in here, but as we continue with the lecture, we're going to create more Java files with our Sublime text editor and a save and compile and run in the command line. So let's get started.